Next one is sex-limited genes. These are autosomal genes. Sex-limited genes are autosomal genes. Autosomal genes are characters. Sex-limited characters are limited to either of the sex, either males or females. These are autosomal genes. These genes are dominant in males and females. Some of the sex-limited characters in males are mustache and beards, etc. Some of the sex-limited characters in females, mammary glands, production of milk, mammary glands and production of milk. These are the sex-limited characters. What are sex-limited genes? The genes which are responsible for a specific characters in either male or female. That is about sex-limited genes or characters. And last one is sex influenced genes or characters. Sex influenced characters. Sex influenced characters also autosomal characters. So these are autosomal genes. Sex limited and sex influenced are autosomal characters or genes. In sex influenced characters, these genes which are influenced, that means which are dominant in males. Sex influenced genes are dominant in males and recessive in females. Recessive in females. So these causes some of the characters, like example, in case of human being, pattern of baldness. Pattern of baldness. This is one example. And second one is in the case of sheep, combs in a sheep. So pattern of baldness is the autosomal characters. Pattern of baldness is a autosomal trait or characters. For example, baldness, capital B, this is genotype or karyotype. Capital B, in case of males and in case of females. Capital B in males causes baldness. Females also bald. Second one, capital B, small b in males bald. That means capital G gene is dominant in male and does not causes baldness in female. That is non-bald. Second one, small b, capital B combination. This is bald in males. This combination is bald in the males and non-bald in females. And last combination, small b, both are non-bald. So small b causes non-bald in both males and females. Non-bald. So here we observe the dominant genes, capital B. Both are two dominant genes causes baldness in males and females. One dominant gene causes baldness in males, does not cause in females. So one dominant gene causes baldness in the males. Two dominant genes causes baldness in the females. So that means baldness is dominant in males and recessive in females. For example, case 1. In case 1, bald female, this is the bald female bald into male non-bald, small b, this is non-bald. What about the baldness in the children? So So the combinations are capital B, small b, and second one capital B, small b, third one also capital B, small b, fourth one also capital B, small b. This is the combinations. If these are all are sums, what is the result? All are sums with the capital B, small b combination, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. In case of males, all are sums. So it is bald. All are sums, called as baldness. Same combination in females, small b, small b, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b. These are females or daughters. In daughters, the combination called non-bald. Non-bald. This is first case. And second case, both are heterozygous. Case 2, capital B, small b, male. Father is bald, father bald, mother non-bald. What is the result of these children? Combinations are capital B, and capital B, small b, capital B, and small b, small b. This is the combination. These are all are sums. Result is bald, and so bald is to non-bald. In sons, bald is to non-bald. Bald 3 is to non-bald 1. The same combination, these are females are daughters, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, small b. These are daughters. What is the result? Bald is to non-bald. This is bald, non-bald. So bald is equal to 1, non-bald is equal to 3. So in daughters, 3 is to 1 ratio. In sons, 1 is 3. In sons, 3 is to 1 ratio. In daughters, 1 is to 3 ratio. So among these two combinations, bald is equal to, here bald 3, in here 1, 3 plus 1, 4. And non-bald is equal to, here non-bald 1, here non-bald 3, 4. So bald is to non-bald ratio is equal to, non-bald ratio is equal to 4 is to 4. That is equal to 1 is to 1. So first basic one is, this is the table. This table, depending upon this table, we can identify or assess the baldness in male or female. If the genotype is capital B, that it causes baldness in both males and females. Small b, capital B causes baldness in males, in females non-bald. And small b, in both males and females does not cause baldness, that is non-bald. So it is a autosomal characters. So baldness is the autosomal characters. This is example for sex influenced genes. Sex influenced genes. Horns in second example. In the case of sheep, horns also sex influenced genes in case of sheep. That is about sex influenced genes or characters.